What I think is really amazing about this transformation is we really didn't extend the cushions that much. I think it's about 3 more inches in most cases, extending it out. But the comfort and just how supported you feel is like dramatically different.
Okay, I'm getting ready to sew one of 12 cushions, I think, and wanted to share with you how I'm going to do it. We are making templates for new foam. So this will be one cushion. So now that we've taken the template that we made to the fabric store, they cut the foam with that template. Now the foam can be our template for the fabric. And we're going to cut it a 1/2 inch bigger all the way around on the fabric. So I'm going to lay it on the fabric, cut 2 sides out, and cut them opposite so that they are front and bottom. But first I want to tell you about the fabric we chose. It's called Crypton, and it's extremely soft and durable and stain resistant. Oh no, I got soy sauce on the new cushion.
What?
Wait.
This is terrible news.
And ketchup too? And there's a highlighter. Were you highlighting your books again?
You're pissing off the dog.
Okay, wait, don't panic. Don't panic. Wipe away the excess. Oh, look at that. Look at that. With a dry cloth. I mean, look at this. Okay, we just wipe it away. Okay. Oh, that's a big mess. Actually.
Megan, you made a huge mess. What's going on here?
Don't fret. Now I'm gonna put some of this on here.
What is that?
This is a stain remover. Okay.
Any old stain remover?
No, this is Crypton stain remover.
Crypton stain remover, folks.
Okay, now I'm gonna blot it. You don't have to use their special cleaner. You just have to use an enzyme-related detergent mixed with water. So I cut out the 2 sides, and then now I'm about to prepare the boxing. So the zipper boxing is 8 inches. My foam is 5 inches, and then I have a 1/2 inch of batting. So that, in addition to my zipper, I'm giving myself a little extra room. And what I'm gonna do is cut this in half and then sew a seam here and then do my zipper. So I've measured this to go around the back side of the cushion, up 8 inches onto the side so that I can insert the zipper or the cushion easily. The other boxing is going to be the width of the foam plus a 1/2 inch for the batting. So 5.5 inches is the other boxing that will go around the rest of the front of the cushion, so you won't see any zipper. And now, so what I'm going to do first is sew the zipper into the boxing, and then I will start sewing the boxing to the cushion. This was the 8-inch piece of boxing that I cut in half and then stitched. First a very tight stitch to about here, and then all the way down the loosest stitch I could find, because I'm going to lay my zipper, which I got from Sailrite, right here, and I'm going to stitch it along here and here, and once it's all stitched I can easily open this up and my zipper will be perfect.
That's why you leave it loose.
Yes. Okay, so I have sewn the zipper in. I anchored it down at this end, and I will do another strip of fabric here to anchor it further. But for this end, it's open, and now I take one of the zippers and make sure that this side, the pole, is on the inside here. And here's the finished product on that little stopper. So this is my zipper panel, and this is my other panel, and you can see the zipper panel is bigger. I like to make it bigger to start and then trim it down. Then these are both going to be 5.5 inches wide, and then after that I will sew it to the top and bottom. And for the fitting, I've got my expert fitter.
Now this is cushion set number 4, so I have high hopes, great expectations.
You still need to glue batting down.
So far, ooh, I like what I see.
Ooh. Okay, so I want to show you how to fit your cushions. So after you've done the top piece, you put the bottom on, And then you want to line your corner up to this part of the boxing and make a little pencil mark. And do that on each corner. And that way your corners will line up with the corners you just did. Another trick when you are sewing corners is to clip ever so slightly the edge of the boxing so that when you get to that corner, your boxing will easily turn. To attach the batting to the foam, we used a product called Misty that they sold with the foam, and it was $10 for a can. Sugar is doing an excellent job supervising this project. We probably used too much on the first go around just because we didn't know how much was necessary. And now the moment of truth. Will it fit?
Oh wow, look at this.
So in addition to making larger foam, we have to make larger wood bases that go inside the actual cushion.
Yeah, you got a lot of badunk-a-dunk-dunk, and you got to make sure you got support for all that junk.
That's why we hired Nick Guyver for this.
That's right.
Day one, got 2 cushions done. So I'm thinking I can do the remaining 4 cushions tomorrow. And that'll leave 5 back cushions and maybe 5 or 6 throw pillows. And then that'll be a wrap. I got 4 cushions done the next day, and then on the 3rd day I did 1 large back cushion before having to turn all of our attention towards prepping the boat for Dorian. And now we are here in Mooresville watching and waiting to see what happens to Clarity. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like it and share it with your friends and leave a comment. I love hearing from you.